Good morning, students. Myself, Pavan sir. Here I am with the topic Reasons for British to come to India. First point, you see here that Europeans came to India for trading purpose. Secondly, they established their centers in the coastal areas. As I have already explained to you that they chose the sea route to come to India because it was cheaper and it was a good way to come to India because they faced a lot of problems when they came through the land route. India was a great platform to fulfill the needs of industrial revolution in Britain because these people could easily get the raw material as well as very good market for their finished goods. 18th century, a period of internal struggle and Mughals' declining power because as we know that in the 18th century, the rulers of Mughal Empire were weak and they could not properly run the administration of the country. And it became an opportunity for the British to establish their rule in India. And British did this through numerous wars, forced treaties, annexations and alliance. These were the methods applied by the Britishers to conquer the territory of India. And these people also imposed high taxes on farmers and commercialized agriculture for cash crops and raw materials. So they commercialized agriculture and whatever crops could help their business, they started growing in India. British East India was able to monopolize the trade in India. It was because the other powers, other European countries who had come to trade in India could not stand in front of the Britishers. So they could monopolize, they could lead the business in India. They also improved the transportation and communication system and also introduced English education to create a class of educated Indians who would assist to rule and strengthen their political authority. So whatever measures and whatever good things and good actions were done or taken by the Britishers, they were all done for their personal benefits so that they could easily run their trade and so that they can easily administer the country. Thank you and have a nice day.